Hi, I'm Johnny, and today we're talking about the Totally Wicked Arc Mini 2. This vape kit is a perfect upgrade to the original Arc Mini, but also ideal if you're looking for a compact yet adjustable starter kit which will stand the test of time. The original Arc Mini is one of the all-time best-selling Totally Wicked kits. This new iteration takes the most loved components of its predecessor and brings it up to speed with the latest features. Let's take a closer look at what it has to offer. So as the name suggests, the Arc Mini 2 remains very compact, a factor that made the Arc Mini so popular among thousands. However, the styling has been enhanced with the choice of 5 metallic finishes, including 2 gradient options. The battery capacity is 1050 mAh, which will last a full day when operating at a lower output. The Arc Mini 2 now features a USB-C charging plug, meaning it will charge quickly and the plug can be inserted more easily in either way round. The wattage is adjustable from 1 to 20 watts, and you can now lock this wattage level to avoid accidentally changing the power level during transportation. The small but well lit screen on top of the battery displays your current power level and remaining battery life. One key upgrade to the Arc Mini 2 is the new EN tank, which boasts enhanced performance and user-friendly features. It has sliding top filling, which makes on-the-go refills a breeze. The filling cap is protected with a side catch, so that it can't come accidentally open and lose you a tank full of e-liquid. The airflow is adjustable using the ring at the bottom, so you can set up the draw resistance to suit your exact preference. As you may have guessed, the EN tank uses EN atomizer heads. These have a push-fit connection, so replacing them couldn't be easier. These coils are reliable and consistent and provide vivid flavour profiles with all e-liquid types, including bar salts like Volts. The 1.2 ohm version is included with the kit. The 0.8 version is also available as an accessory if you prefer to vape at higher powers. So that's all you need to know about the Arc Mini 2. A significant step up from the original, the mini size remains, but the technology has certainly grown.